You can't call Bob name and beg you, no, me not like that.
I can't call Bob name and beg. So what about Ghetto Youth? Ghetto Youth don't beg. You must learn to help one another.
You tell me, say you know one of the richest family of Jamaica.
It promotes sharing.
Because you say enough man. Enough man of mine have them sidekick out the road. And when them take care of them family of the yard, them a go and let them a idiot and I want to take care of them family of the yard.
Bless, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and Lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lion Food TV. A blessed Sunday, the 17th of November. I just want to say big up everybody and happy birthday. If it's your birthday or someone for your birthday, big up yourself. Believe in yourself. Never stop. Don't stop trying. Don't give up on your dreams, aspiration. Zane, just believe and keep pushing. Yes, man, in this vlog, yeah, we have one of Bob Marley's so-called son, goes by the name of Tunde. Well, he's actually his son, because I meet him already 2018 at an event, you know? Yeah, and I was introduced to him, and you know what I mean? Him say my Bob's son, and the person tell me say my Bob's son for true, and you know what I mean? Yeah, so, boy, he's out in the street a big, and a long time I do it, I don't look good still, but I'm going to see what go up and what go on. It out there in the public, that's why I touch upon it, because I could have touched upon it long time, and you know what I mean? But I say no, you know? But it's like it's out there now. He's actually on camera. I'm going to say I just address it, is it? Yeah, man, and also Blacker. Yeah, man, Blacker, the hit maker. Yeah, I send out a positive message. I tell the man, them say, yo, look after your house before you go out there, go look after out there with the woman, them, you know? Your family, look after your family first before you go out there. And I put people in front of your kids and your wife and your girlfriend or whatever. Make sure your household is sorted out, monetary wise and everything there. Instead of you go outside, a wife of other people and I give them where you could have give your kids them, you see me? But I don't know before that, I'm going to please like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. You know why so we keep it real on the battlefield, you see me? But first and foremost, here a Blacker say.
Because you say enough man. Enough man of mine have them sidekick out the road. And when them take care of them family of the yard, them a go and let them a idiot and I want to take care of them family of the yard. Family of the yard come first, because your woman of the yard come first, because remember say she'll cook for you, she'll take care of them, she wicked, she'll poison you and you're dead. All man, respect the woman where you have in your yard. The only way you respect a woman where you have in your yard, unless the woman where you have in your yard. She them type of girl there. We don't respect you. If she don't respect you, a different thing. But we are talking about your woman in your yard, your family in your yard, your wife in your yard. Put your family in your yard first. Stop and take up on no money and a mind girl a road. You have to give the woman them a road money, you know. Of course. Because remember, some of you say, boy, the woman a road make you feel better. Your mind I will tell you that. Because you just think about sex.
Alright, my people, that are the great recording artist, Blacker. You see me, I say TV presenter, you know? Yes, Blacker. And I agree with him, you know, see me, but I don't agree with him. But I really think what that, man. You know, you have big up the woman them on the side, and big up the side chick them, you know. You see me? Yeah, you have some side chick who are very considerate and kind and loving and can walk to, you know? Yeah, but the Blacker says still, you see me, make sure you say your house is looked after before you go out there and give it out there, you know, you want your money. Make sure wifey, girlfriend, fiance, and the kids them at home, okay? Then they can go to the road and say, yeah man, I go have some fun, you know. We have some money, no say the side chick I work, I give him the good work, you know. And then give her everything while them treat wifey like she's nobody at home. See me? That basically what Blacker say, is it? Yeah, man, so I agree with him still, but let me know what you think. You know what I mean? Big up the woman, because you know we love them, the side chick, the first chick. You see, me have my wife on the front and the cheek on the side. Cheek on the side, give me the wickedest ride. If me never married, she would have been my bride. You see me? That is actually a song, you know? Yeah, man. But big up yourself, Blacker. Yeah, see it. Moving on now, here Bob Marley, son, I say, Tunde. a man buck him up in the street and a video him, see, and he might ask the man for money, and the man say, yo, you can't do that on camera, you know? Very disrespectful to the Marleys them, you see? So here we go.
Guys, I found Bob Marley Forgotten Son.
Who you be again?
Means Bob Marley's son, second to last son after Kimani before Damien.
What's your name?
TK Marley.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright,
So
so
I'm up on Instagram, Tunda Marley 3000.
so why you say them neglect you?
Marley family I follow me.
Why them neglect you? You know when I reach
Them
something
don't
from
neglect me,
Jamaica.
it's me, I do my own thing. Man, I'm not collect my inheritance, you know.
You know collect here.
If I go through the law and everything, I'm supposed to collect those.
So what you
$40,000
tell me are true?
US. I swear to God. Swear to God.
You
I'm
have
not
to-
mad.
Alright, run it through, run it through.
Turn your lights down low and pull your window curtain. Oh, let the moon come shining in.
You have a little touch of Bob Marley for true, you know.
Our lives
Lyrics and
again,
vibes.
saying, oh, it's been a long, long time. I get this message for you, girl, but it's him.
Bob
I
DNA
was
name.
never on time.
Bob
Bob
DNA name. Bob DNA name.
On time. On time. I want to give you some love right now. I want to give you some good loving. Why? Whoa. I want to give you some good loving. Turn your lights down low.
Alright, wallet me G.
Alright,
So you say
like
all the
it.
people them can find you again.
Tunda Marley 3000 on Instagram.
And yeah, Bob Marley fit the true.
TUNDE, yeah. It's just getting exposed, you know, but true man are really fussy, you know. Stop the press.
Bob, you know Bob name and a normal name, you know.
True.
You see me?
Yeah, but man, I really run numbers. I get converted with sports car for being 12, you know. And I'm part with Garlic and big stars in a Jamaica
What you
farm.
say your mother name?
Marsha Madden.
Marsha
She married
Madden.
named Bernard.
Yeah. She get pregnant for Bob.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright.
Bob did it on purpose. Him talk about me through the whole life. So he must go and do it and let him do it.
Alright, do the right thing. You ever come and send this up on the media, all platforms, and you will feel the effect of it, yeah?
Yeah, man.
And
do
if
it.
it's lie, the media gonna find out.
Well,
and
it
if
don't
it's
matter to
true,
me. It don't matter to me. I'm not trying to prove that to people. You know.
alright.
I
Fair
could have gone and
respect.
get my money a long time.
Yeah.
I'm glad them know that.
Yeah.
Come on, wait till I'm for the show. You might make a fan thing. Come on.
So what me can want to do?
Come they drunk at the time, some never get for perform. Was I drink, some stop drink totally now.
Yeah. Oh.
Me
Alright,
and
what's
Rowan
the
was a
thing now?
beet juice. Me and Rowan was a beet juice at the bar and thing. Me a buy Rowan juice and him a buy me juice and me get drunk, you know. Right a car boss.
Alright, do the right thing, man. Big up yourself and respect to your career, yeah?
So yeah, nothing for me. You can't give me something, please. My begging. Something,
No,
anything.
you can't
fit
call
some.
Bob name and beg, you know, me not like that.
Maybe I can't call Bob
You
name and
can't
beg.
tarnish your name.
So what about get used? Get used don't beg. We must learn to help one another.
You tell me say now one of the richest family of Jamaica,
it promotes sharing.
$40,000
It promotes sharing.
run.
I don't get it yet. I wouldn't be out here begging
Me
if I
not
never do it.
$40,000 in my
Then you
account.
have to do it. Me have to do it too.
No,
Because
man,
I'm gonna
but
get
what
through
you know?
it yet. If I had my
Basically-
money, I'd be helping you.
Give me a run, give me a ease up a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright. Do your thing, you hear my boss?
Alright, cool.
Alright. Bob's son people. Bob, me hear Bob in a voice. But me not really understand the information I get. But I know I'm all free. See him there, Bob's son a go on with himself. Him a perform for the people them in a Burger King drive-thru. You know? And them little boy there follow a kind like disciples, I don't know why. Parents, if you don't want them child, please come get them. They're following the bad company. They're following somebody impersonating the great Bob Marley. And with those type of influence, it's not good for the well-being of your child. Talented, say that.
Alright, that's what the general I said. The parents them come get them kids because them run bad influence. Atunde. the bad influence. And the bad influence is not about badness, it's about using the white substance. I met him 2018 and I was at a launch, EP launch. Rest in peace, Visionary, artist from Canada, open theme and everything. And Tunde also perform as well. And if you want to hear him sound like Bob Marley, them time he have him locks and thing, And I was introduced to him by a close friend, and they tell me, say, yo, Bob Marley son, and them turn him back on him, Because he was born in the hood, you get me? I'm part of St. Andrew, Kingston St. Andrew, but in the garrison part, like, Yeah, and through him was an outside kid, them turn him back on him, and never really accept him or acknowledge him. You see me? That's what I was told and thing. By him and the person who introduced me to him, you see me? Yeah. So through me see it out now like now, I just never talk about it, you see it? But yeah man. A Bob Marley son for true, Yeah, but he's hooked on the substances, and his mother did all put him out at one point, his mother, the family them not tolerate with it, but Jano. It's sad to see, him still looking well, It's sad to see him beg still, and when the general I say, yo, the person who have video I say, yo, you can't say I carry Bob Marley in him and I beg on camera, them think the thing look small, and if people don't know the truth, them say, yo, the realize them and this and Bob Marley them and weak, But I just life here, man. I wish him could have, fix up himself and stop the begging. I Bob Marley, so him can go do some music, man, but maybe him hook on the substance, him still take the sitting, you see me? Yeah, the white powder there, you see it? And you know that a destruction once you get on that. So when the brothers say the parents them come get them kids, because they run bad influence, that is where I talk about using the white substances or trying it, Yeah. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, the man of peace. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie.